Here I have Realme 9i, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find Do Not Disturb button. By tapping on it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can add a schedule to it, like you can change the schedule's name, you can select start time, end time, and also the days on which this schedule will repeat. You can add exceptions to this mode. It could be notifications in status bar, banner notifications, lock screen notification, and also notification badges. You can add messages, calls to exceptions. You can also ring for repeat calls, which means if the same person rings you in a 3-minute period, this call will be added to exceptions too. And you can also silence media when Do Not Disturb mode is on. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.